Hello my loves, welcome back, and I am so sorry that I have been MIA for a while. There's been a lot of stuff going on in my life and I've been focusing on other things, and yes, I love doing these videos for you guys. Life gets in the way sometimes and it's a little hard to record, but here I am and I wanted to do a very special unboxing that I know you guys love. These are the one that gets the most views. I have a huge Hermes unboxing. These are things that I've had for a couple of weeks, and also the most exciting part is my quota bag. I'm gonna go ahead and do this whole video as one because I was thinking about doing it first, unboxing all the stuff from Hermes, and then a second video just a quota bag. But I was thinking, and I'm like, you know what, let's just go ahead and do it all in one video. And yeah, let's start. Let's do this by category because it's a lot of things and I want to get through quite quickly. I don't want to bore you guys with all these things, but okay, what should we do first? I think we should start off with shoes. I have quite a couple of pairs of shoes. Of course, you guys know that I always have shoes in my unboxings. And I don't know the colors, so we're gonna do it together and see what they are. The first pair is, look at this color. So the day I went to go pick up my quota bag, no, these were not the day. These were after my quota bag. Was it the same day I picked up my quota bag? I think so. Yeah, I think it was the same day I picked up my quota bag. They had different colors. This is one of them. And it is called Gris Argentique or something like that. I don't want to butcher it. It is a bluish, grayish color. And it is showing so beautiful in the camera. They're showing kind of blue, but they're more to the gray side. And these are so beautiful. They come in Epsom leather, as you can see. You guys already know that Epsom leather is a little bit harder to break in, but I love them. I wish they were in Swift, but either way, they're not uncomfortable. They just take a little bit more to break in. So these are the first pair. Aren't they beautiful? Another pair. So I have these in the Oran sandals, but I needed a pair in the Oasis for summer and to go to the beach and the pool. So these are a pair of white ones, and my other white ones, I have kept them so clean. I am OCD, so everything has to be like looking brand new for me to continue to wear it. It's a little issue I have. But yeah, my other ones are pretty new still. It's just I wanted the little heel. I wanted the little support because you guys know I am 5'1". So yeah, how cute are these? They're just so clean. You can wear with anything and just, they look amazing. All right, the next pair, these I also have in the Orans, but I needed them in the Oasis. I have them in the wedge too. I just love Hermes gold. I love the color. It's amazing. It goes with everything. And this kind of matches my outfit today. How cute. These are gold, and I got these, and you guys will see why I got these. So now I have so many pair of gold shoes, but I need them because different outfits look different with different things. So these are the gold, same Swift leather, you know, super comfortable. I love them. I already wore these one time with this outfit. These are true to size, so whatever size you are, get your true to size. All right, these ones I don't remember what color they are. I'm running out of space for all these Oran and Oasis sandals. I have so many, guys, so many that you guys cannot even imagine. These are, oh my God, these are Ethiopia, and I am dying for a Birkin in this color. I just love this color. It's like a gray with olive undertone, greenish undertone. These are an Epsom leather color, and again, these are the Oasis with the little kitten heel. So next, not sure, okay, I think these are shoes too. Can't remember. So let's find out together. Can't remember how many pairs of shoes I got. I don't know, I just keep getting shoes because I love, oh my gosh, I totally forgot that I had gotten these. Oh my goodness, this is such a beautiful color, and they did not have them in the Oasis, or else I would have taken it in the Oasis. Look at this color. They are so beautiful, and they come in swift leather, so you can wear them for hours and hours and nothing will happen to your little feet. Look at those. This color is so pretty. Oh wow. It's called Rose Vacunca. I'm trying to learn the colors. Oh my God, I love these. So we're done with the shoes. Let's move on to the next item. And I think here, let's see what's in here. The last time I went, I saw this. I did not know. Look at this swimsuit. It is so beautiful, but I did not know that it went perfectly with this swimsuit. How amazing. And I also have orange ones, which I can switch because this kind of has like orange on it too. So, but no, this is perfect. This is literally the same color. I didn't remember. How amazing. Well, I don't know if you guys know, but Hermes makes the best swimsuits. They are so durable. They just hold everything in. The back, it has a low cut, and then this is how the when I go out with my family to the beach or the pool, I don't want everything hanging out. I still want to look beautiful and classy, but you guys know I'm a mom of two, and I still like to look presentable. I just don't want everything hanging out. But how amazing. This color is gonna look so beautiful with the tan. This swimsuit, I don't think it has the price on it. No, but if you guys want to know anything, I can look it up and then tell you guys in the comment section. So just let me know. Okay, this one, it's a little, and I have a very similar one. This is a little Pegasus. Look how adorable. It's very similar to the other one I have, but the other one I have, the wings are gold, and this little strap is mauve pale, and gold, mauve pale, and cray. But this one is in mauve, sesame, and ebene. Yeah, the wings are dark brown. What do we have next? Let's do this. In color gold and Epsom leather. And I love to collect. And depending on the bag I'm wearing, I switch them out. So yeah, I'm all matchy all the time. She ran out of these little boxes, and how beautiful are these twillies? Look at this. Oh my goodness. They're They're adorable and it has a little rodeo on it. And it's in the color gold. This would go perfect in a neutral, on a neutral bag. I love it. I love the twillies. Most of the times I don't put twillies on my Birkins because I honestly prefer how they come. Every once in a while I do put a little rodeos on it to switch it up, but most of the time I just wear it how they come because, you know, they are beautiful how they come. Okay, here's another one. And this one is in like a turquoise blue with a baby blue. I got this one for my Etain Birkin. Next we're moving on to fine jewelry, and you guys know that these come in harder boxes. So let's see what's in here. So this one, it is a ring and it's a band, but it's full of diamonds. I don't know if you guys can see it. Excuse my nails, I have not done them. But look, it is pave, so it's full of diamonds, and I got it to wear it here. Okay, look how beautiful. I love this ring. It's so pretty. All right, and then this one, I got it to stack it on top of, oh, can you see it? Okay. I got it to stack it on top of the other one. Look at this, guys. And it has a little diamond and it's also rose gold. I believe this one is also rose gold. Hold on. Yeah, like that. Oh, how beautiful. Or I can turn it around and wear it. So, I don't know. I got it to stack. I love stacking dainty jewelry. Here's my quota. I'm so excited. You guys, this has been on my wish list for a very, very long time. And she has asked me before if I wanted it, but there has been other colors. Like when I got offered my mauve, she asked me if I wanted this color. So if you see my other video, you already know what color it is. And no, I wanted mauve because you guys know that I am obsessed with pink. So you know what? I'm not even gonna take too long because I want to see it again. It's been in a box. I forgot these were in here. Okay. And this is baby blue. And when I got offered this bag, I was feeling a little bit under the weather, so I didn't want to record right away and have the video, me not be my regular self, you know, my personality. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just wait for the perfect timing when I feel okay to film. And here it is. You guys, can you guys please take a guess on what this is? All right. So as you can tell by the box, you know it's a smaller bag, and you guys already know everything that comes in here: the little pillow, the little raincoat, which I need to put inside the bag, and hair booklet. Okay, you guys ready? Let's do this. It is a Birkin 25 in gold on gold, and Togo leather. You guys, when I saw this little cutie, I wanted to die. It is so cute and tiny. As you guys know, I have my other Birkins are size 30. This is my first 25, and I didn't know how to feel at first because it is so tiny. I know it doesn't look as tiny, but literally I have little tiny hands, and look at these little handles. They're just so cute and delicate. My arm does go through. It doesn't go all the way back, but I can hold it like this. let me just show you guys how it looks on my body. Okay, so this is how it looks on my body. Look how cute, you guys. This is amazing. Let me push back a little bit. Okay, how adorable. And then I wear like this. So let's unclose her. Oh, she's so adorable and tiny. I want to display her. This is so cute. My little baby Birkin. Look at her. You guys, she's so adorable. And I wanted gold finally. Finally, I got my gold Birkin that I can just throw on with anything. Literally, this goes with everything. Everything and anything. Literally left her in the box for like a whole month without opening the box or even taking a look at it. And I finally unboxed her like, I think like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. And then I put her back in the box exactly how she came so you guys could get the experience. Let's do the clochette so you guys can see it with it, which you guys already know. I don't wear my bags with this because it weighs down the bag, but that's it. Look at it with the clochette. Yeah. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I'm really sorry I have not been recording as much. Gotta make as much time. As you guys know, I'm a mother of 2 and my daughters do sports. They do volleyball. So I'm always with games with them or practice and all those things. Yeah, I know what you guys see here on social media is just luxury things, but 99.9 of my life is my kids and me doing things with my kids, which I keep very private. I don't really post them on social media because there's just so many crazy people out there. You know, every once in a while I do post them, but yeah. I have so many things I want to show you guys because it's been a couple of months and I have been shopping, of course. There's so many things I want to show you guys. There's another bag unboxing. There's a couple of things that I got myself for Mother's Day also. So I'm gonna try to do a video for tomorrow and then a video for Friday and another video for Sunday. So let's see if I can edit this and then get it out so I can do the other one and then get it out for you guys. But all the people that have been writing me on Instagram asking me when I'm gonna do my next, me so happy to know that if there's one person watching me, that just makes my day. I really appreciate you guys and all the love you give me, and yeah, thank you guys so much for sitting here. I know I have not stopped talking this whole time, but you know how it is. Don't forget to subscribe if you love watching luxury unboxings, luxury things. You guys already know. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Mwah.